You didn't stumble across this message by chance. It's not a coincidence that you're here, reading these words. The universe has led you to this moment because you are ready for the transformation that lies ahead. You are on the verge of something extraordinary, a financial breakthrough that will elevate your life in ways you can't yet fully imagine. This is your moment to step into your power and claim your millionaire destiny. This isn't just another motivational talk. This is a deliberate and intentional activation of the law of assumption, a universal principle that states, whatever you believe to be true, you will manifest in your life. It's time to assume your millionaire status and align your energy, thoughts, and actions with the abundance that is already yours. As you immerse yourself in this process, the universe will begin to reflect this shift back to you, opening doors and creating opportunities you never thought possible. Let's embark on this journey together. In this detailed guide, we'll explore the steps to fully embody your millionaire reality, starting with the most important realization of all. You are destined for wealth, from rewiring your mindset to releasing limiting beliefs, from cultivating gratitude to aligning your daily actions. This process will equip you with everything you need to manifest your financial freedom. Stay with me until the end, and remember, this is your time. Your wealth is waiting for you to claim it. The first step in this journey is to adopt the belief that you are already a millionaire. Not tomorrow, not next year, not after a series of events unfolds right now. In this very moment, you are wealthy beyond measure. This isn't just a wishful thought, it's the foundation of the law of assumption. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you deeply believe to be true. If you believe you are striving to become a millionaire, then that's the reality you will continue to experience. Constant striving, never arriving. However, when you shift your belief to fully embrace the idea that you are already a millionaire, your energy changes. The universe responds not to your desires, but to your vibration. If your energy projects, I am wealthy, opportunities, resources, and circumstances that match that vibration will naturally flow into your life. This shift is not about faking it or pretending. It's about aligning with a truth that exists on a higher plane. The universe operates beyond linear time. To it, there is no past or future, only the now. When you declare, I am a millionaire, you are collapsing time and bringing that reality into the present. But this requires a commitment to fully saturate your mind with this belief. Affirm it daily. Visualize it vividly. Walk through your day as though your millionaire status is already a fact. The more you embody this belief, the more you will see it materialize. Pause for a moment and say it aloud. I am a millionaire, it is done. Feel the energy of those words. Let them sink into your being. The path to wealth begins with this powerful declaration. You've taken the first step. Now let's dive deeper into how to solidify this mindset and create lasting change. The power of repetition cannot be overstated when it comes to rewiring your subconscious mind. Your current beliefs about money and abundance have been shaped by years of repetition. Whether it was messages you absorbed during childhood, societal conditioning, or past experiences, these beliefs are deeply ingrained. But here's the good news. You have the power to rewrite them. Repetition is the tool you'll use to replace old, limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones. By consistently affirming your millionaire identity, you reprogram your subconscious to accept it as truth. The subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between reality and imagination. It simply absorbs what you feed it. This is why affirmations are so powerful. When you repeatedly declare, I am a millionaire, your subconscious begins to accept it as your new reality. This isn't just about speaking the words, it's about feeling them. When you affirm your wealth, do it with conviction. Visualize yourself living the life of a millionaire. Imagine the freedom, the opportunities, the peace of mind that comes with financial abundance. Replay these images in your mind often, and let them evoke emotions of gratitude and joy. These emotions amplify the vibration you're sending to the universe. Consistency is key. Replay empowering messages like this one to keep your mind focused on your millionaire reality. The more you expose yourself to these ideas, the more your subconscious will accept them over time. Your thoughts, actions, and even your external circumstances will begin to align with this new belief system. Remember, repetition is not a chore. It's a transformative practice. Each time you affirm your millionaire status, you are planting a seed that will grow into your new reality. To fully step into your millionaire identity, it's essential to release the limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. These beliefs are often so deeply ingrained that you might not even be aware of them. They whisper things like, "I'm not good with money," "wealth is for other people," or "money is hard to come by." These thoughts act like invisible chains, keeping you tethered to a reality of lack and limitation. The first step to breaking free is awareness. Pay attention to your inner dialogue when you think about money. Do you feel unease, doubt, or fear? These emotions are clues to the beliefs operating beneath the surface. Once you identify these beliefs, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this really true? Most of the time, you'll find that these beliefs are based on past experiences or societal conditioning, not absolute truths. Next, replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Instead of thinking, "I'll never be wealthy," affirm, "I am a millionaire, and wealth flows to me effortlessly." Repetition is crucial here as it helps your subconscious accept these new beliefs. Pair these affirmations with visualization exercises. See yourself as someone who effortlessly attracts wealth. Feel the emotions of financial freedom and security. Releasing limiting beliefs is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process. Each time a negative thought arises, counter it with a positive affirmation. Over time. These empowering beliefs will become your default, creating a foundation for lasting abundance. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for manifesting wealth. When you focus on what you already have, you send a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more. Gratitude shifts your perspective from lack to abundance, raising your vibration and aligning you with the frequency of wealth. Begin each day by acknowledging the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. Celebrate the roof over your head, the food on your table, the opportunities that come your way. Gratitude creates a sense of abundance that attracts even more to be grateful for. Combine gratitude with visualization as you express thanks for your current blessings. Imagine yourself living the millionaire lifestyle. See yourself enjoying financial freedom, supporting causes you care about, and creating the life you've always dreamed of. This practice not only raises your vibration, but also reinforces your millionaire identity. Gratitude is a practice, not an occasional activity. Make it a daily habit, and watch as your mindset shifts and abundance flows effortlessly into your life. To manifest wealth, it's crucial to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with abundance. This means consistently thinking, feeling, and behaving as though you are already a millionaire. When your internal state aligns with your external actions, you create a powerful synergy that accelerates manifestation. Your thoughts are the starting point every day. Affirm your wealth and abundance. Shift your internal dialogue from scarcity to prosperity. Instead of saying, "I hope I can afford this," say, "I have the resources to create what I desire." Thoughts of lack lower your vibration, while thoughts of abundance elevate it. Your emotions are equally important. How do you feel when you think about money? If you feel anxious or stressed, you are not aligned with abundance. Instead, cultivate feelings of gratitude, excitement, and confidence. These emotions send a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. Finally, your actions must reflect your millionaire mindset. This doesn't mean spending recklessly or pretending to be someone you're not. It means making choices that align with abundance. For example, invest in opportunities that support your growth, treat your finances with care, and take steps toward your goals with confidence. Each action you take from a place of abundance reinforces your millionaire identity. The alignment of your thoughts, feelings, and actions creates a powerful magnetic field that attracts wealth and opportunities. This is how the law of assumption works in your favor. By embodying abundance in every aspect of your life, you invite the universe to mirror that abundance back to you. One of the most challenging aspects of manifesting wealth is learning to trust the process. It's natural to want to control every step, to know exactly how and when your wealth will arrive. But the truth is, the how is not your responsibility. That part belongs to the universe. Your role is to hold on to the belief that your millionaire reality is already done, and to trust that the universe will take care of the rest. This doesn't mean sitting idly by or ignoring opportunities. It means releasing the need to micromanage and surrendering to the divine flow. Doubt is the biggest obstacle to trust. When you doubt your ability to manifest wealth, you create resistance. This resistance slows down the process because it sends mixed signals to the universe. On one hand, you're asking for abundance. On the other, you're signaling uncertainty. To overcome this, remind yourself daily, "It is done, my wealth is on its way." Trust requires patience and faith. The universe operates in perfect timing, often in ways we cannot foresee. What may seem like delays or obstacles are often redirections, guiding you toward a better path. When you trust the process, you free yourself from anxiety and allow the universe to work its magic. Each day, practice releasing control, focus on your vision, take inspired action, and let go of the rest. The universe is orchestrating everything behind the scenes to bring your wealth to you. Trust that it is already done and enjoy the journey as it unfolds. One of the most effective tools for manifesting wealth is the practice of acting as if. This means living your life as though your millionaire status is already a reality. It's not about faking it. It's about energetically aligning yourself with the version of you who is already abundant. Start by examining your habits and routines. How would the millionaire version of you live? Would you wake up with purpose and excitement, or stress and worry? Would you make bold decisions or play it safe? Begin to align your daily choices with the mindset of abundance. Surround yourself with things that reflect wealth. This doesn't mean overspending or pretending to be someone you're not. It means creating an environment that supports your millionaire identity. Upgrade your surroundings where you can, speak positively about money, and treat yourself with care and respect. When you act as if, you send a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. Every decision, no matter how small, becomes a step toward embodying your millionaire reality. The more you live from this place of abundance, the faster it will manifest in your life. Manifestation is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process of alignment. To maintain the vibration of wealth, you must stay consistent in your thoughts, feelings, and actions. This requires daily commitment and self-awareness. Replay affirmations, visualize your goals, and express gratitude every day. Let these practices become second nature. When challenges arise, use them as opportunities to reinforce your alignment. Stay focused on your vision and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Consistency is the key to lasting transformation. By staying aligned with your millionaire mindset, you ensure that the wealth you've claimed will continue to flow into your life. Remember, it is already done. Your millionaire reality is here. Embrace it fully and let the universe handle the rest.